Mooey. You guys playing with the gift wrapper? Did it evolve into just playing? His head's gone. Yeah, good boy. You playing? Is that your sister?
Oh, happy kittens.
Only offense.
Oh, sorry, that's the coffee maker I wrote.
I found that very funny. They reacted.
They don't usually react.
Nope, that was weird. They never react. Hi, sweetie. What are you gonna do? You gonna keep playing? Boo, how you doing? How you playing? Happy Mooey boy. You playing? Are you ripping it? I don't want him to eat it. But he usually just rips it and throws it, but I don't know.
Usually.
No, I'm gonna take this from you.
This seems a bit dangerous on right now.
Here you go. He looks so upset. Here, I'll throw him a ball.
I can have this piece that you ripped off. They're soggy. You ripped off 2 little pieces, and they're soggy.
Yeah, okay. I'm upset about that. Well, we're terrible cat parents. We let the worst things happen.
Oh, no.
Daisy, I'm really sorry that we did this to you. Mother.